Alright, gamers! I have been saving my gems so that I can get the Brawl Pass. Let's go! Time to collect these rewards. Nice. Oh, I gotta win and wipe out, actually. Yeah, I'll try to win 3 battles and then go get my laundry. Whoa, what are you doing? Oh, okay. Fang, more like idiot. Wow, my joystick! No! What happened? Fang, what are you doing? He's gonna go in. Okay, I didn't need to throw my silence. Please, no! Kill him! Eve! Yes! We're gaming. I knew it! I'm so good! Oh, nice. Please, no! Pinch! Ah, okay. I said I was gonna go get my laundry. I should go get my laundry. Alright, funky gamers. I finished up getting and folding on my laundry. Right lane. Wow, my teammates are laning. It's crazy. Intended. No, baby!
Now it's done.
Oh! Go! Gotcha. Got him. Oh, it's the same bell. Bobo. That means stupid in Tagalog. Congrats. She's gonna throw her thing at me. Oh, this Eve. Okay, you gotta get a shield or something, man. Ow, we're dead. Gege. Okay, after these quests, I'll get my other laundry because I did the whites. I'm playing with student debt. Oh my god, it's all throwers. I can't do anything. Leon, go up and do something. Leon, go. Thank you. Bang. Got him. Nice. Student debt taking out all of the people. Just like in real life. Nice. Where's their teammate? Oh my god! No, I didn't mean to throw it! I was trying to put it on myself. No! I missed! Never mind. I'm a gamer! I did it! I did the thing! Ow. Got him. This fucking Grom. Thank God. Okay, we can win. We tied it up. Oh, why? Okay, alright, I'm dead here. Oh, but actually, I'm reading your movements. Get red. I'll read. Oh! Oh my god! Run. Don't go in! What are you doing? Body! Oh! Okay. Help me. Don't just stand there! Okay. Wow. Kill him! Ah! Nice! Team! Are they like level 1 also? I hope they are. Alright. Nice aim. We won! Oh, my fellow... They lost and they're all so much higher level than us. They should be ashamed. Don't you love this Chester just sitting in the bush doing nothing? Chester! Okay. You used it. You're gonna die anyway though. Oh my god. This is what happens when you play on your fucking character with -3 trophies. Oh, now he's doing the opposite. He's just going in. And he's gonna die. Yup. Yeah, for sure. Okay, we're all dead. GG. I'm gonna use this. Whee! Oh! What? What is this? Oh my god, my thumbs are covering part of the screen. You know, there's a reason the maps are designed to look upwards, guys. Oh! Run! He's gonna silence you though. Run! Oh, you just ran in a straight line. Wait, they're both Angel? Angel XD and Angel Gutierrez. Oh, Spike's getting pinched. Gus, you have to help! You have to help, Gus! Okay, nice, nice, perfect. Beautiful. Oh, go on the right, Gus. There we go, and then... Stop walking into it though! No! You can use your thing, oh my god. Alright, Angel, let's go. Carry me to the victory. Come on. Angel XD. XD me to victory. Oh shit. Whoa! No! Oh my god. Give me the... I'm dead here. It's okay. My team moving. Nice. Whoa! Alright, okay. Okay, alright, okay. I'm gonna go to the right this time. Seems like everyone had the same idea. I'm not falling for the same funky business again. Kill the Betty! Kill the... Go! Edgar. Oh! Penny does the same goddamn... No! No! Hi, Mr. Nugget. No. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. XD. Oh! Is that a... Yeah. Okay. You're gonna get Shelly supered. Oh, we're going in. We're going in, baby! Yeah, boy! Apple bottom jeans, boots with zipper. The club was looking at her. Oh shit, I'm dead. Oh, Burrito's he's just vibing. Nice Edgar, nice Edgar. Oh, dodge it. Beautiful. No! What? What is that like? What is he doing there? What the fuck? Why are y'all walking with me? Pinch him, man! Walk from the other side. Like this, watch this. Oh my god, you're all walking with me again. We still won though, whatever. Bitch. Come here, bitch. 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 Ow. Oh my god, he predicted me. No. Ah! It's 10. I'm gonna stop this recording for today. Later. It's your boy back at it again with laundry in the dryer. Oh no! Yes! Oh shit. We're pinching this nerd, I think. Filthy Chester player. No! Bitch. You can use another gadget, bro. No, I was kidding. Ah! I almost got Jean. Okay, I'll get Jean and Mandy at the same time. Yo! Stop walking with me. Missed, bitch. Get got, bitch. I'm dead, though. Oh, I'm gaming today. What are you doing? Bro. Bruh. His mom called him for dinner. They're all going to the left. Okay. I think we won still though, right? Oh my god. I have like a full second of delay. Nice. I played with 5,000 seconds of lag. Still won. Easy game. Got him. Oh, this is bad. It's getting worse. Just give up, just give up. Or you could also do that. Why? You're not gonna win. Or are you? Oh, okay, never mind. No! Oh my god, I'm a gamer, I'm a gamer!
We made it, Spooky.
Fuck you, fucking. Oh my god, I carried that fucking game. I carried the fucking game. I'm a gamer. Ah! They're all mad at each other, dude. Oh no. Yeah, that's not good. Alright, Anthony. Don't get pulled again. Good job. Oh, you get a gadget going, huh? You think? You assume? You believe? Well, you assume wrong, sir. Oh! Game done! That's it for now. I will see you tomorrow. Alright, funky gamers. It's time to get 20k trophies. And Mandy and Jean. No, you don't, bitch! We're gonna so fucking. No! No! Okay. Yo, I got Mandy and Jean. Bang. Jean. Let's get it. Now, do I want my 20,000 win to be on Mandy? I kind of want it to be on like a brawler I really like. Well, I like Brawl Ball, I like Surge. For my final win! If I win. Okay. I'm carrying! I'm like 2 away from a super. No! No, I was about to pick it up! No! Tough game, but I think we have the advantage now that the map's fully open. The stew is schmovin', schgamin'. Yeah! 20k! I think I played well. There's the 20k. All right. I'll play a little more Mandy. Let's just get this quest out of the way and then we're good. One taste is all it takes. The super. No! Don't super me. Mandy. Oh my god. Oh! Oh, the save! The save! Fucking god, fuck! Oh my god, all the Mandys have united. Bitch! Whoa! Oh, it's a sprute. It's a sprute. Oh my god, if I could aim. If I could aim, that'd be sick. Oh, I can die. I win. So I'm already 4th place. Oh my god. He's gonna, yep. Alright, GG. Is win. You know, so I can like get the club rewards, gold especially. Should probably like make a club. Alright, let's get this badge. I want this one. Alright. Club name. Funky Gamers. We funk. We game. Well, I'm gonna start playing club stuff now. I probably should have been doing this since the beginning. So I can buy all these fucking club shits. Alright, and that's it for now. I got 20k trophies, got some quests, got Mandy and Jean, who I haven't played yet, but was my old main on my old account. Nah, let's play one, just, you know. Cool. Woo! Alright, now that's it. 20k trophies for the first time. Got Mandy, got Jean. And bye!